aking sandwich. Ayan. Now ready. Wow, yummy. So ready. Ready. Ito na ang aking sandwich. Ready. Ready to eat. Ready to eat. Yes. Correct. Ready to eat na tayo. Ayan. My juice and my sandwich. Nice. One bite. Yeah. Yummy. With chips. Siyempre, my favorite. Pero, lilinisan ko to ganito kasi kung maalat, saan ba yung tissue ko? Kailan natin siyang linisan. Ganun, o. Yan, o. Yan. Yan. Hindi, maalat.